Here's a weird thought. Putting fat into your body may help take fat off of your body. Some fats are not only healthy, but essential. And by eating the right fats in the right amounts, it can actually help you lose weight. You may have heard the term MCTs a lot lately. MCTs are medium chain triglycerides, which contain medium chain fatty acids. The body metabolizes them almost effortlessly. Studies show that MCTs are excellent at burning up extra calories and promoting weight loss. MCTs can help you metabolize protein, and protein absorption is very important. Protein isn't just for those gym dudes who want to walk around with their arms resting 2 feet away from their sides of their body. Studies show that higher protein intake can lead to less cravings. In turn, you feel fuller, longer, and you can finally see that scale start moving again. So let's talk about where we can find MCTs from. Coconut oil is a famously fantastic source of MCTs. Pea protein actually contains peptides. Now these peptides help satisfy your hunger. It helps maintain kidney health and regulate blood sugar as well, and it actually helps build thicker muscle. Quinoa actually contains all of the essential amino acids that your body needs, which makes it an excellent source of plant-based protein. Pumpkin seeds are extremely rich in magnesium. It's absolutely great for strengthening bones, teeth, and even your heart. Now remember, MCTs can help you metabolize protein. This is the basis for turning on that fat-burning furnace inside of you and using fat as energy instead of glucose. You're boosting up your metabolism, you're getting that all-natural, amazing energy from it as well, and you're putting on that new lean muscle. And this is all just from making slight little tweaks in your diet. That's why I designed my Organifi Complete Protein, to do exactly what others don't. It's loaded with everything that we just talked about, the MCTs, the plant-based aminos, and it absolutely tastes incredible. I just drop it in the glass just like so. It's got over 20 grams of protein in one serving, and it also has full food value, vitamins as well. A lot of the vitamins that are in protein shakes, you just simply pee out. You actually maintain the vitamins in this because it comes from plants. It's got the digestive enzymes in here as well, so as you'd imagine, you won't feel that bloated or that upset stomach that maybe you've experienced with other plant-based meal replacements in the past. So grab yourself a bottle of this complete protein today. One of the only protein shakes with healthy fats and MCTs. Start using fat to burn that little fat and feel great today. Click the link in this video or click the link below. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Drew Canoli, and remember, we're in this together. I'll see you soon.